So I couldn't explain it in a single line, but I will tell you a long story which is behind this. During the 6 months preparation, I was the most threatened or afraid of selections. So each time I used to ask my buddies and everyone that will I get selected or not. So marching on that Kartavya Path, I would just like to thank each and everyone, all my juniors, all my instructors, and all the PI staff that were who were there with me and who were supporting me. So when I was looking at our honorable president, so I could remember each and every one of them, and I just wanted to thank them. It was for them, not for me.
um, the way we were prepared, especially all kudos to Delhi Directorate, ADG, ADG, Major General Mishra Rao sir, Captain Nalin Khan Mishra, and Colonel Atul Methani. They were our training officers for the whole selection process. The training itself was very intense this year. And what I would say is that Delhi Directorate has crossed the bar. This year, we have two positions in best cadets. This year, Abhishek is All India second best cadet, Army SD. He's my direct junior from my college, Khalsa College. And we have Zuha, who's a third All India best cadet in Army JW. So I think we have reached a level, a bar. We have created a bar where maybe the upcoming cadets might do better. The competition is definitely tough because people who come from southern directorates, especially, they have been training for months. They have cats, they have IGCs, they have so many. So they have launch cadets. Their launch cadets the last, and it happens maybe after 7 to 8 months of training and selection. So the kind of intensity they have in their training and selection is what we lack somehow. But Delhi University demands a lot of other things, and we're involved in a lot of co-curricular activities. So that would be, it is justifiable. However, this year our performance was excellent. This way, we were all able to clear written. We did good in firing. We were told we did good in drill, and our interviews and group discussions also were pretty fine. 4 cadets were in fact shortlisted for DG interview. So that is a great experience, and that is a great benchmark that best cadets have set up this year. RDC may you, especially Delhi in itself, has people from all over India. We have people from all different states. So we get to work with a lot of diversity. Number one, we get to tolerate, we learn to tolerate, and we learn to be cooperative to everyone. Second of all, the teamwork and the discipline, the time management, these are very small words and very generalized words we use. However, how we've managed and how we've come this far, 6 months away from home, it has taught us a lot. Because I remember RDC के first week में we used to wake up very early, we used to be tense कि कैसे schedule होगा. But even if in the passing days, it was very easy. So everyone knew कि कहाँ जाना है, क्या करना है. It was a wonderful experience.
uh, I feel the best quality is being very patient, because it helped me a lot. I would say, being patient and being empathetic. I was the Kartavya Path senior, so I need to be empathetic, and I had to listen to my juniors and the reasons behind why they are being late or anything. I need to help them on ground. So it's very important to be empathetic and be patient and taking decisions on the spot. So decisiveness, I would say.
I think adding on to that, I was also the senior for Best Cadets team. So your question was about the skills. So what we have experienced over the past all these past 6 months is that not only maintaining that friendship and camaraderie, but doing it on a daily basis and choosing your team on a daily basis, because there'll be times you'll be frustrated from everyone, every single person. You will want to leave RDC, but Delhi's second position पे इसीलिए नहीं आया because we left, because it was a daily plebiscite. जैसे government का होता है ना, daily plebiscite, that we choose to do a certain thing every day when we wake up. That is why Delhi came second. It got silver this year, and it is a whole all year round. ADG sir had pulled us this entire year. So from 2024 to 2025. So we were extremely grateful to him, especially. And we had a lot of the colonels there and a lot of the officers there had also mentioned that it's because of our ADG sir that we have excelled so well, because there are other events also for the banner. So that is the reason we came second, I think.
Funniest thing.
I would add, we were told Maharashtra and Cargos will be our biggest competition.
Yeah.
However,
Exactly.
I have made the bestest friendships and the most memorable friendships and memories with two of my buddies from Kargwa, two of my buddies from Maharashtra, and two of my buddies from Uttarakhand. So that is one of the most funniest part, I feel.
मोस्ट फनीस्ट थिंग जो मेरे साथ हुई पूरे कैंप में, तो जब हम 3 बजे उठ के 2:30 बजे उठ के कर्तव्य पथ के लिए मार्च कर रहे होते थे, मतलब हमें सिक्योरिटी चेक्स होते थे वहाँ पे, तो हम लोग खड़े खड़े कभी कभी सो जाते थे, तो हमारे ड्रिल इंस्ट्रक्टर आके हमें फिर केन से उठाते थे और थोड़ी बहुत फिजिकल पनिशमेंट होती थी, तो वो सबसे ज़्यादा फनीस्ट थिंग होती थी
वैसे
पूरे कैंप में।
प्रैक्टिकली पॉसिबल नहीं है खड़े खड़े सो जाए,
नहीं, इट इज
बट
पॉसिबल, इट इज
बट
पॉसिबल।
आरडीसी में तुम सीखोगे कि
हाँ,
पॉसिबल है.
खड़े खड़े कैसे सोते हैं, दिस इज पॉसिबल।
So basically, in horse riding, there were main three events. So first was show jumping, and another one was dressage and top score. So in show jumping, basically it's a course. So in like 45 seconds, we have to complete the course, and there are obstacles in it. And I personally was there in it, and I was little tense before the event because all the riders who were before me, they all got eliminated from the first jump itself. So when I entered, like I cleared the course, and I won gold and silver in the same event. And in dressage, basically it's an arena, and you have to basically show the movements. So in that, I won gold. And top score, it's like very interesting game for the audience, especially. So there's a Joker jump. So in that, I won bronze.
Yes, we had Colonel C. Carter, who is an FEI judge. FEI is the main body of equestrian, and he's an approved judge. And he has acted more of a mentor than a judge. He has helped us by organizing advanced clinics, which could help us in the future by giving us an insight about the difficult movements that are practiced at the high levels.
Or especially for RNV cadets, I would love to say that make bonds with the horses first, because even like it's not about the show day, but still, if you have that bond, it would be easier, to ride. And and when we won the medal, so it was like it was not my individual thing. I shared with my horses, and it was just beautiful.
I would like to add up to her points. First of all, we need to take out the fear of losing, or the idea of winning medals, because we tend to put the horse into a lot of stress, and there's a lot of other elements as well that you don't have under control. And especially I saw the level of riders that were there. We had some amazing teams that were there this RDC, but we lacked the basic foundation of riding because everyone was headed straight for the medals. They lacked basic horsemanship, and that challenges the very essence of horse riding itself. So I would like to inform my juniors or give them this insight or advice that just do whatever you're doing, just keep practicing, just keep riding, and one day you will definitely come clear.
Yeah,
Oh.
one.
So this time, our directorate, Delhi NCC, we bought young horses, all young horses, 5 to 6 year olds, and they've not had so much show experience. So there was always some kind of stress, and I think personally, she would also struggle as soon as the band would play. Our horses would start running. They would
just start
not.
dancing.
Yeah, they
basically.
would just start dancing. They were very unsteady, uneasy, and personally as well. Before my dressage, I was trying to wear my blazer on top of the horse, and I left the reins, and he took me on a gallop run right in front of the judges. And it was by God's grace that even after that, Delhi NCC would perform well.
लाइक इट वॉज द बेस्ट फीलिंग एवर आई हैव फेल्ट। मेरे लिए बहुत बड़ी बात थी। मेरे पूरी ब्लड लाइन में आई वॉज द फर्स्ट जिसने कर्तव्य पथ पे मार्च किया है। लाइक आई एम नॉट फ्रॉम द एनी डिफेंस बैकग्राउंड, फ्रॉम सिविल बैकग्राउंड। तो एक कर्तव्य पथ के लिए मैंने लास्ट टाइम भी ट्राई किया था, बट आई वॉज कैडर आउट। सो इस टाइम भी मैं पहले से ही प्रिपेयर थी कि मुझे कर्तव्य पथ चल के आना है। जब हम प्रेसिडेंट को सल्यूट कर रहे थे, सो द होल जितना भी मैंने आज तक प्रैक्टिस किया था सब कुछ मेरे दिमाग में रिवॉल्व हो रहा था। मेरे पेरेंट्स को प्राउड फील हो रहा था। मार्च करते टाइम मेरे पेरेंट्स ने, मेरे जूनियर सीनियर सभी आए थे मुझे इनक्रेज करने के लिए। उन्होंने शाउट भी किया था, मेरा जो वो नाम चिल्ला रहे थे, तो वो फीलिंग भी बहुत अच्छी थी। और फिर दादा दादी भी टीवी पे देख रहे थे, सभी देख रहे थे। तो ये करने के बाद जब मुझे बताया गया, तो दादा दादी का एक ही था कि छोरी ने तो एक की बार चढ़ा पाड़ दिया। तो दैट वाज द बेस्ट फीलिंग। एंड कर्तव्य पथ पे हम यंगेस्ट कंटीजेंट थे। तो वहाँ पे जितने भी कंटीजेंट्स थे, चाहे जैकलाई हो, चाहे सिख रेजिमेंट हो, जाट रेजिमेंट, तो सबने हमें बहुत अच्छे से बताया कि तुम्हें किस टाइप से स्विंग करनी है। हमारे डीआई ने, हमारे पीआई स्टाफ ने, सबने हमारा बहुत सपोर्ट किया, जिस वजह से हमने कर्तव्य पथ में बहुत अच्छा मार्च किया।
अब हमने तो आप लोगों को टीवी में देखा था यहाँ पर 26 तारीख को हमें रिएक्ट किया गया था क्योंकि हमारा अगले दिन मार्चिंग थी। तो 26 तारीख को हम लोग आपको देख रहे थे तो जितना खुशी उस टाइम हो रही थी ना, हमें सारे चिल्ला रहे थे। जैसे जब दिल्ली वाले कैच दिख रहे थे क्योंकि 144 कंटीजेंट में दिल्ली वाला कैच ढूंढना पड़ रहा था कि दिल्ली वाले कहाँ है। आप शायद लेफ्ट मार्कर लास्ट में थे, आप दिखे थे और 2-3 कैच और दिखे थे जो फाइल के बीच में थे।
यस सर।
जैसी आप लोग की मार्चिंग आई थी एनसीसी कंटीजेंट के कैडेट्स, तो यही था बस हमारा तो। मैंने तो सोचा नहीं था कि मैं आरडी में प्राइम मिनिस्टर से ट्रॉफी रिसीव करूँगा। जो कैडेट्स ने 1 साल मेहनत करी है, टीएससी, बीएससी, एनएससी, जो हमारे सोशल सर्विस हुए हैं, और इन सब की को जो हमें बैनर मिलता है वो ओवरऑल जो पूरे साल की होती है उसको देख के मिलता है। तो जो मैंने ट्रॉफी रिसीव करी है वो जो दिल्ली के सारे कैडेट्स हैं उनकी मेहनत थी। तो मेरे को सोचा नहीं था कि मैंने जो दिल्ली के कैडेट्स मेहनत करेंगे मैं वो मेरे को रिसीव करने को मिलेगी ट्रॉफी। तो मेरे को तो बहुत प्राउड फील हुआ था। और जैसे जनरली होता है ना कि आज के ज़माने में फैमिली वाले साथ बैठ के टीवी देखते नहीं है, तो उस दिन ये था कि मेरी पूरी फैमिली, वो 4 फ्लोर है हमारे घर में, जो हमारी जॉइंट फैमिली है, सारे के सारे एक टीवी बैठ के देख रहे थे। मैंने उनको बोला था कि मैं प्राइम मिनिस्टर से प्राइज रिसीव करूँगा। उन्होंने मेरे को फिर उन्होंने वीडियो शूट करी, सबने बताया कि ये सारे बैठे पड़े एक रूम में टीवी में देख रहे हैं। मेरे को बड़ा खुशी हुई थी।